suppose we should make introductions, shouldn't we?
If you want to.
Up to you.
Yeah, I'm John.
Otherwise known as Moto Driver.
I'm the GorillaBiker.
I think that'll do as an introduction, isn't it?
I hope so.
Oh wait, 1 second. Start.
Yeah, you can take it up to stand for me.
There you go, sir.
Oh my god, this is weird. So this is... Some of you guys may recognize this bike. This is the GorillaBiker. What the fuck is wrong with your clutch? His clutch is like no bite on it. He has to get used to a working clutch. This is strange. I'm on his Fazer. He's on the Beast. I hope he enjoys it. Oh, this is so cramped. What the fuck? The GorillaBiker is not a small guy. Like, look at the size of my bike. He's making it look fucking tiny. How does he fit on this? I don't even fit on it. Mate, you need a new clutch. Holy fuck. Oh, my bike sounds nice from behind. His exhaust sound, I think they're Black Widow exhausts. Actually very nice. I don't know, would he appreciate a wheelie? I don't even know if I could with the way this clutch is, to be frank and honest with you. Frank and honest coffee. No. Oh, fucking hell. When you have an MT10, you feel a bit spoiled. When you have a bike... Oh, Jesus, that was a rock, I think. No, it was a bit of styrofoam. You're a little bit spoiled, so it's kind of nice going on. But this actually handles so nice. This is a really nice handling a bike. This is the first time I've been on a Fazer. Actually, no, it's a lie. I was on one of the older Fazer 1000s. Woo! This does not have the pull of my bike. I miss my 1000 already. I'm also used to the gearing on my bike. I think I'm just gonna clutch the shift. I don't like your clutch at all. It's so weird being behind your own bike. But yeah, as I said, I'm with the GorillaBiker. We met up. We're going to test ride a few bikes. I'm going to test ride the Zero SRF. I don't know what he's going to test ride, because the bike he was going to test ride got sold and it really upset him. Yeah, I'm just going to clutch the shift. It's a lot nicer. What about down? Yeah, down's nicer on it too. Okay, that's my side of the road. But anywho, the brake has a really nice feel to it. The front brake on the MT10 sucks really bad. And he's gone. Oh, my indicator's still on. I don't know if any of you have actually seen the GorillaBiker off the bike. He is a tall motherfucker. Well, I don't even know, what height are you? I know you'll tell me he's about 6'5", maybe 6'7". He is making my MT10 look like a MT-07. There is no pull on this bike, like power wheelie wise, and I can't do a normal wheelie because his tire is fucked and his clutch is fucked. But it's so not like, the fucking handling on this bike. This is more of him to do a review on my bike, if that's what he's gonna do. I haven't even done a review on my bike or anything. I can't believe he made it from Cork on this bike. I just don't like the clutch. But I see, I'm used to mine. Like, mine is a whole brand new gearbox, so everything would have it's just that little bit nicer on it. And it's a newer fucking bike, so I have to get used to that as well. Oh, I can't do that. I missed the opportunity. This is actually a very nice bike, I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't expecting to be as nice. I have a fuel gauge right now. It has a fuel gauge! Holy fuck, I like it already. Yeah, no, it's a very nice, simple bike. I don't have the power for that. I'm the GorillaBiker! I am! Yes, sir. Rain, rain. Go away. Don't come back another day. Come. God, misses. You've seen it here first, folks. The GorillaBiker is an asshole. I'm joking. Oh my god, I remember the last time I was here, for all my older subscribers, the last time I was here, the headlight on my 600 Hornet fell off. Let's see if I remember to pull the clip for that. That was very funny, and I fixed it with some tape and a bit of wood. I'm the GorillaBiker.
You're not.
I am. I just don't understand the riding position of this bike. It's upright, sporty. It's very strange. Like my legs are really bent, but on mine, my bike feels more aggressive, but my legs are straight. I think the pegs are just very high. It's not even that they're far back. You're really like cramped in this bike. But I could, you know, ride this for hours and hours, to be fair. I couldn't do it with mine. Rainbow! Rainbow! Ah! Ah! It's my first time riding a bike. Actually, I need to compare. This is how big he is. I'm up to his tits. Okay, so that was the ride on the GorillaBiker's Fazer. It was actually really nice. Not as nice as mine. Don't tell him that. Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes. Granny just looking at me. She just kind of stopped and stared.
He's a beautiful.
Oh god. Maybe she wants a photo.
Maybe she does. Maybe
She could be a model. Yeah, guys, if you haven't, most of you have already subscribed to the GorillaBiker.
This actually isn't my real face, you see, so it's fine exposing it.
That's what Moto Dragon looks like. That's Moto Dragon. I'm the GorillaBiker. But let me know what you guys think. I think most of you are probably already subscribed to him. Look at those angles. Oh.
It's because I don't want to sit down.
Old man GorillaBiker.
I am old.
But yeah, we're going to go back and we're going to test ride some bikes from Franklin's. I'm going on the 0S or F. But yeah, go over, check out the GorillaBiker. Check out his Instagram. Check out my Instagram because he's taking photos. They're going to end up somewhere. Check out our Pornhub. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe.
You're not supposed to tell